So typically what I do is I like to let it just continue to drain a little bit into another rag, and then I'll stuff another rag in the funnel to help soak up any other excess and keep it with me in a bag. You know, there's a compartment right there. You keep the stuff in. You know, this is not something you just do one time. You do have to keep it up and for maintenance. So what I'm going to do now, either do this, make sure that's on, come over here, start this thing up, show you. Okay, so dealing with what? Come on, light up. All right, you can see the mileage there, 125,372. Start it up, no noise. This baby is running, purring like a kitten. No noise or anything. So in the last 10 months, I had to replace a radiator and a hose and deal with that issue. You know, so with that other funnel, when pouring that stuff in, that's where this stubby funnel comes in. Because when you want to pour that stuff in, you want to just be able to pour it right in. You see, this is where the oil goes. That's where the stubby, you set that in there and you pour it in there into the crankcase. Yeah, add about 4 to 6 ounces to replace oil that's burning from the engine. So it's okay to put the Marvel Mystery Oil in the crankcase as well. That's what I do, and it helps loosen up and lubricate everything. So the issue again was low oil with the engine not lubricating a valve that's up in here in the crankcase that needs to be circulated. So if you hear that chattering, add a good lubricant, you know, one of those top shelf items. You could probably even use Marvel Mystery Oil. In any case, change the oil, add the stuff to the case in place of one of the quarts of oil, and that should take care of the problem. All right, take care now.